and welcome to my channel. My name is Nessinette, Nessie for short. If you like this look and you want to learn more, please keep watching. I have my eyebrows off camera. If you all would like a eyebrow tutorial, please let me know. Leave a comment in the description box. Leave a comment down below. I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brown Ebony. Set my eyes with Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder in medium deep. Today I'm going to be using the Morphe 35O palette. Starting off with this shade. I will be taking this shade from the Morphe 35O palette. It's the brown shimmery one, and I will be putting that directly in the outer crease. And then just to deepen that up a little bit, I will be taking this shade right here. Just want to get a lot of depth. This shade right here. This is just a regular blending brush. Now I'll be placing this all in the inner corner. Now, on to complexion. First, I'm going to be priming myself with Poreffesional pore primer. Stuff's bomb. Today we will be using the Infallible Pro GLo Foundation from Loreal in 211. This is this is hands down some of the best drugstore foundation you can get your hands on. I'm using NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer for my under eyes. So good. I like to do my eyes last because that is where I want the most coverage. So I'm taking that Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder again in medium deep, and I'm going to set my under eyes like so. This is a Neutrogena Skin Clearing Foundation Mineral Powder in Tan 80. A lot of people don't talk about this. In fact, I've never heard anyone talk about this, but it's my favorite foundation to set the rest of my makeup. I've tried a couple different things, and I don't really like, there's a lot out there that I don't like. I don't like using setting powder on to set my entire face because I think it makes you look really powdery. Even when I see it on videos of other YouTubers and stuff, I don't like it. It makes it look like they've been inhaling something. So I'm going to take just a regular angled blending brush. Since I have smaller eyes, I'm not a huge fan of eyeliner, especially with shimmer looks. I like it with matte eyeshadow looks, but it tends to overwhelm my eyes. So then I'm gonna take darker shade, take that same brush, just go a little closer to the lash line. An angled liner brush. It's actually an eyebrow brush. I think that's what it is. I don't know. It's from I don't know, I got this brush from Walmart. And I'm just gonna really line that with this shade. So I'm sorry, I keep forgetting to show y'all. This shade. I'm gonna line it with that. For my 35F palette, this palette is bomb too, y'all. I really like this. I'm gonna use this a lot more. I should have used it today or whatever. And take the black shade right there. So instead of eyeliner, this is what I do. I kind of shade, just like add some depth and then blend that out. Yeah. Hey, look at me. Now I'm going to take lashes that I got from Ardell at Ulta. I don't know the name, but they're from Ulta. That's the best I can do today. But all the other products will be in the description box. So now I'm taking the Tartiest Lash Paint. Is this what it's called? Tartiest Lash Paint Mascara in black, the blackest one they got. I like to put on mascara after my lashes because when I put them on before, it's actually really hard for me to get on my lashes, get on my falsies, because they just get in the way. And my eyelashes are naturally curly because I'm blessed like that. I like to do just in my inner waterline, some liner, you know, make it a sexy. Oh wait. Boom. Let's get contouring. This is the BH Studio Pro contour palette. I actually really love this palette. Some might say it's powdery, but especially if you're a makeup artist, it is really hard, to me personally, especially for deeper tones, to find contour shades. You got it all. This is a regular e.l.f. angled brush. It was like $4, but it's my favorite brush for contouring because it's just ooh, that's actually, y'all see how I just flipped hair that I don't have? We'll be flipping hair that I grew. And then I take those same two colors and I mix them to contour this forehead. And I'm taking that warmer shade, this one, just to kind of bronze a little bit. For contour, the brush we are going to use is the Morphe 877. This joint is the bomb. Bomb.com. Y'all. I take it and I start from the eyebrow. Now, if you are a woman of color watching this, one thing I hate what I see girls do is when they try to manipulate a line that is not there. As women of color, typically our noses are rounder. Now, I'm not saying we don't want to add that depth back and we don't want to get that snatched nose, but our noses are not supposed to be skinny and pointy. That's how you look like Michael Jackson. And if you don't believe me, ask your boyfriend. All you're supposed to do is redeposit the depth that you took away when you put the powder on. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little. I'm not hating on anybody that does do the overly contour. I'm just saying, you might be the only one who thinks it's cute. That's not nice. I'm not a hater. I'm a lover of women. I'm not a, but I'm just saying, can we chill? Our noses are supposed to be, God made our noses a little rounder for a reason. Embrace it. Blush is the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 2. Boom. This shade. So on my cheeks it goes. Boom. But I'm using Makeup Geek's Duochrome highlighter in Ablaze. Just a little bit. I'm not somebody who needs my highlight to be like super extra, because even though I obviously probably come off a little extra. So for lips, I will be using the NYX Lip Liner in brown. I will be using a Color Sensational lipstick in Truffle Tease, number 930. Blend that in. Gonna help that ombre effect. And there you got it. Oh wait. Setting spray. Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This stuff is really good. It doesn't really give you a matte finish, but it's nice. And there you got it, y'all. That is the look. Thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, please subscribe. Please like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you liked my channel, it would help me out a lot. Again, thank you for watching, and please stay tuned. God bless y'all. Yeah. I've got 10 minutes to finish this up. I know it might not seem like it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Look at me. Setting away. We're gonna blend it out. Look at me. Look at me. My wings, flat my wings, flat bones. I need to stop looking at the viewfinder. Blend, 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 blend. Nessie for short. I mean bottom. My name is Nessinette. Nessie for short. I sound like an infomercial. This is weird. Nessie for short. Hello, and thank you for clicking on my, I don't know how to do this, man. Oh my God. I already said channel. Dang, this is weird. And you want to learn more? Please keep watching. And you want to learn more? Please keep watching. Boom.